Here we are printing 2-part NCR forms. We have 2-part white and canary, and we're just printing black ink. I'm printing 2 up on a sheet. We're going to final trim it to 8.5 by 5.5 when it's done. We're sequential numbering these things, so I can't take one out to show you, but I did prepare some ahead of time so that you can see what we're doing. It's 2-part NCR. The top is white, the bottom is yellow, and it prints on both sheets. What we had to do is we're numbering it, all right? So you see the number right there? And then see the second number is the same. And then on the next copy, grab another copy here, the number advances up 1, okay? So all the way down is numbering, and it's going in reverse. Actually, it went down. You probably noticed it went down. Because what we have to do is, since this will be on the bottom, and the first number is going to be on top. So we had to make the sequential numbering in reverse in order for it to print, and when it's done, number 1 will be on the top. That is not number 1, but the first number. So we started with like 61749 or something like that. So we're printing it. So we're going to print the orders for 500 sets of 2-part. We're going to number it, starting with that number plus 500. And then we're running it 2 up. So the second half, this is interesting. You got the number on top, and the second half number is 250 numbers down or up or the other way. So that way, when we cut it, 1 through 250 will be on top, and 251 to 500 will be on the bottom. I'm not saying the numbers they actually are, so I have to do the math. I don't feel like adding them right now. I'll just tell you that way. I'm just explaining to you how we're doing it. Now, once this is all printed, then we'll cut it in half, and we'll keep the 2 sections. The bottom part will go underneath the top part, so that it'll go from 1 to 500 after we cut it. Then, after that's done, then we're going to put glue on the top right here. Put glue on it and let it dry. After we paint the glue on, we'll let it dry. And after it dries, about 2-3 hours later, we'll take it apart. We put weight on it to hold it down. We'll take the weights off, and then we'll fan through it. It's called fan apart. And when you fan through it, it's going to separate the white and the yellow. So each set, only the sets will be glued together. The rest of it will separate. So white and yellow, white, yellow will all be glued together. And then you give it to the customer as a finished set, where the white and the yellow are glued together. They're numbered the way they're numbered, from up to 500 different numbers. And that's it. That's how we do it. And so I programmed the machine to make 2 copies, so it prints 1 and 2, or, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, all the way down on both copies. And that way, both copies have the same identical number. So it's a little complicated, but it works. We know what we're doing. We've been doing this for years and years and years and years. So anyways, that's the story. If you need any NCR or business cards or flyers or anything, give us a call, 424-244-6461, or visit us at our website, artprintingservice.com. Shoot us an email, art@artprintingservice.com, or come by the store at 14948 Prairie Avenue in Hawthorne, California. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.